Let me look in the mess on camera. Erin, aka Team Erin, aka Designs by Erin. It's been a long time since I've done a video, and we back. In today's video is gonna be another transfer. Pause for the cause. Why are my lips chapped? Like ridiculous. It's ridiculous, but continue. I'm basically gonna be transforming some pants I got at Walgreens. I don't remember how much they were. The tag say $15, but I'm sure it was cheaper than that because they was on clearance. Yeah, so they're pants. I'm transforming them into a dress. It's something I seen Kiyomani. If y'all know me, y'all know Kiyomani. I'm very inspired by her. I be watching all her YouTubes. I follow her on Instagram, and she did this transformation with this dress. Well, it wasn't a transformation. She just created this dress. So cute. I want to do it, but I'm making it out of some pants. So keep watching. Okay, y'all, so right here you're just gonna see me cutting the pants in half. Basically one pant leg I use as the skirt, my bottom piece, and the other half I use for my top. This fabric was very stretchy, so it made it really easy to work with. Yeah, so just keep watching. Alright, y'all, so right here is the bottom piece, the skirt, and I'm just cutting the top part to make like this curved shape, because the dress I'm making has a certain design I want to do that I'm trying to recreate. So yeah, so right here I'm just cutting it to make it more of a curved shape, and you'll see why I'm doing that later on. Okay, this next step, I'm taking the other pant leg that I cut. Remember, I cut it in half. I had two separate pant legs. So right here, I'm making the top, and I'm just cutting one of the seams just down the middle to just have more fabric to work with to make the shirt. Okay, y'all, I'm not trying to talk too much through the video, but right here I'm just trying to make the top. So I just pulled the top I had already in my closet that I know fit me very well, and I just used it as a guide to cut out the top for the dress. Alright, here y'all, I'm just sewing up both sides for my top, and I also sewed, I basically made it like a halter top. So I sewed both sides, and I sewed the part that goes around my neck together. Alright y'all, the last step. As y'all see, I have on the top piece and the bottom piece. So I'm taking the skirt piece, which is the bottom piece, flipping it over the top piece, and I'm gonna sew where it's folded at, if that makes any sense. And just to go back to the beginning, when I was cutting the skirt, remember I was saying I was trying to make this curve shape, like at the top of the skirt. This is why, to have this type of look. And this is the final look. The leftover fabric, I just made a little hair accessory with it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching.